Hi! So, today I'm going to be opening a package that I just got. And I know what it is. You know what it is. Let's get started. Here we go. Hallelujah! Here it is. Oh my gosh. Can I just say, I love that they made it holographic. It's so pretty. Okay. Oh my gosh. So, I don't know entirely everything that's gonna be in here because I skimmed over it. Oh my god, look at that. Do this carefully. Oh my gosh. It has a matte finish. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Oh, it's a little scuff. There we have the name, answer. Very pretty. So I guess there's the little heart symbol. Okay. Oh, I don't want to break it. So pretty. Oh wait. Oh, woo. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Okay guys, this is absolutely beautiful in person. Very subtly holographic because it's matte, but it is so pretty. Okay, first page. Oh my gosh, the CD. Oh my gosh. This is the prettiest CD I have ever seen in my life. That's not a joke. Okay, you know what? I don't want to scratch this. So, I'm going to put a paper underneath. So I'm going to put the CD back because I don't want to get any fingerprints on it. All right. Now for the real first page. Oh, what's this picture? Can I just say that Tay's outfit is one of the greatest things ever in this picture. And Sugar looks like he was in like a bear fight. Okay. Another one. Also, what the heck is Jin wearing? Okay. Oh my gosh, and Jimin. They're all wearing such funny outfits. Except for Cookie. His is like the most like not strange. Alright, next page. Pretty. like a little fairy jar. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. So cute. These earrings though, I need one. Oh, okay. This is absolutely beautiful as always. One of my favorite hair colors for V is this pink, so. Oh god. Oh, that is pretty. I think I've been broken. What am I gonna do when it gets to Sugar's page? Speaking of. Oh, he's in grass. Okay. Brace yourself. Okay. Oh my god. The closet. Them all sitting in the closet. I love that. Y'all know that's where they are. There he is. My hope, your hope. Oh my god, those shoes! I need them! Oh my god. What a second. Those are the best shoes in the world. Oh my god. This color hair for him is so pretty. I love that color. It's almost like a peachy something. Okay. Oh, that's so pretty. That outfit is so fancy. It's like a vampire. Not that I would say Cookie's a vampire, but oh my god, this picture. Oh my gosh, it's so I don't know what to say. The full silhouette. I love that. Okay. Okay. Another one. Yes. Oh, we can see J-Hope's shoes up close. Okay. So many photos. Alright. Here we have, oh my god, special page. Oh. Let's see what this is. Oh, I don't know what this is gonna be. I've never seen this stuff before. Well, I have a guess of what it's gonna be, judging from what I could see through the paper, but I have no idea really. Alright. Oh my god! Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so perfect. I wanted something like this. Okay. Can I just say that I love that we got two versions of their faces. Like, we have two of each person. Oh my gosh, Sugar. Next thing. Okay. Not sure what this is, but it looks like it's an email for something. I'll set that aside. Okay. The notes. This is so pretty. Okay. Oh my god, this is gonna be so nice to translate. It's like, it looks almost like journal entries. A link. I'll try and link a translated version of that in the description that we can read together. Oh my god, this is... Ah! Oh my god, sugar! Oh, see that? What a surprise. And look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at the way he's looking. An album survey. Okay, well I know what that is. Okay. Now that was not all the way through the book, so I guess we're gonna go back to looking at that. Those stickers. I am so excited about these. And plus, I love that I got sugar. I don't know if everyone gets sugar. I don't know if there are more of these in there. But Jesus Christ. Okay. I'm just going to show you on this camera how holographic that is, because I don't know if the big camera is picking it up. So pretty! And also, by the way, the back of it has the songs on it. Oh, these are lyrics. Okay. Oh my gosh. There's the credits. Produced by Jordan Young. I love that. Okay. Okay, here we go. Vocal and rap arrangement. J-Hope. Whoop whoop. This makes me so happy. Okay. Sorry I'm not reading it out loud. This is just the lyrics and all of the credits are next to it over here. I love knowing like who wrote it all and who composed it, you know, everyone who helped create the songs and the albums. It's great knowing all of their names specifically. You'll know like exactly what they did and how involved RM and Suga and J-Hope are. Everybody. I didn't know that Supreme Boy was so involved in all of the songs. I never knew that. There are thanks to's in the back. Oh my god. I want to read it so bad. RM, Jin, Suga, J-Hope, Jimin. Nice how long that is. Oh, there's a heart. Oh. I have no idea what they say, but I'm sure that it's nice. And then here's the B CD. Oh my god, I just realized something. I left something in the case. Okay, so now that we've looked through this whole book, I'm gonna set that aside. And I glanced over here at my little pile and I realized I missed something. Something at the bottom! Ah! Okay. This, I mean, I can tell what it's going to be already. Okay. Folded poster. Here we go. Oh yeah. It looks like it was the first one in the book. There we go. Oh, look at Jimin's cowboy boots. Oh my god. Now I can see all their shoes close up. Yay. I'm enthralled by their clothing. None of you probably know this, but I'm a clothing designer. I do a lot of costumes for theater and stuff, and I make them and pull them together and stuff. I love these outfits. I want to make them so bad. Let me know if that would be a good video idea. Oh god. Yeah, I really want to do that. Oh my gosh. This has been great. Ooh. Sugar. Ooh. The faces. Oh. Oh my gosh, my camera recognizes them as faces. That's great. Ooh. There's Sugar. There's Jin. Geo. Okay. That was a jolly good experience. I've never bought one of these before. They've always been too expensive for me, and I finally got one. And I love it so much. The aesthetic is gorgeous. It does make me wish I had some of the older ones, but I'm glad I was able to get this one, and I'm so glad it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Yeah, I'll try and link some of the translations in the description if you're interested in reading them. But yeah, thanks for stopping by. See you all soon, hopefully.